Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing exactly what hiring managers need. Gather your resume, cover letter, references, and certificates in PDF format to avoid formatting shifts. Once done, create an account on the employer site or job board and enable 2FA for security. Make sure to scan the job description and highlight keywords, then adapt your resume so the top 3 skills match the listing. This front-loading saves time later and increases the chance your submission passes initial filters and human review. Next, you complete the online form carefully. Enter names, dates, and job titles consistently with your resume because mismatches trigger doubt. While you type, tailor your cover letter to the role by referencing the company and 1 or 2 measurable achievements that prove fit. Upload files with clear names like last name role resume, PDF and last name role CL. PDF so recruiters find them fast. Make sure required fields are not skipped. If a field asks for details, give concise, relevant examples rather than generic statements. Finally, review every entry and use a checklist before you hit submit. Double-check attachments, dates, and contact info. After submission, save the confirmation email, note the job ID, and set a calendar reminder to follow up in 7 to 10 days. If nothing arrives, contact HR politely with your details. If uploads or submissions fail, try optimizing PDFs, switching browsers, disabling extensions, or clearing cache. These fixes resolve most technical blocks and let you complete the application quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.